Hi, my name is Rinat Kainan, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Pele AI. And I've been shopping online for the past 9 years. And let me be honest, it's very confusing each time to know the right size for me because sometimes I can be small, sometimes I can be medium, and sometimes I can be large. Not knowing my size because it's differentiate each in each store, it influenced my decision making, and it get even harder when it's a matter of higher value of my purchase. So that's why we wanted to create Pele AI. We wanted to create flawless processing from social discovery to knowing my personal size recommendation and get even complementary items to purchase in one click or two clicks. So let me show you how it works.
It starts on social media, where customers see a product they like and click to visit your store. They can try on the product virtually by uploading or taking their body picture. With our vision technology, our algorithm recommends a personal size based on your store's sizing chart. It then suggests matching items to complete their look. We are Pele AI, the intelligent way from social discovery to store checkout.